Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 6th of February. I'm James Spann. A good round of rain, some thunderstorms likely over the next 24 hours. Another round of rain over the weekend as this unsettled pattern continues. Let's dive in and talk about it. This is the upper air look across the country. Again, the flow beginning to de-amplify. Mainly a westerly flow aloft here. And you can see it's variably cloudy for the northern third of the state. Up in the Tennessee Valley, it's cloudy. The far western counties are cloudy, but elsewhere, it's mostly sunny. And under those clouds, we have rain falling, heavy rain falling in parts of Lamar County around Sulligent at 2:40. That's when this radar frame was taken. Raining in places like Winfield and Guin, over Smith Lake, up toward Vinemont. Also some showers in Sumter County around York and Livingston. And again, we'll see increasing rain coverage tonight into tomorrow morning. And temperatures are all over the board. We've almost got a 30-degree swing here. Montgomery at 76. The Shoals in Haleyville at 48. Birmingham at 67. Where the sun is shining, it feels very nice. But again, in the clouds up in North Alabama, still very cool. And again, there's the contrast around the region. Dothan, Alabama, 77. St. Louis, Missouri, 24. But that cold air is going to stay north of us. And again, there's the national look, and it's very cold over the upper Midwest. But the upper air pattern will likely keep that bitterly cold air well to the north of us. Although tomorrow will be a cooler day. We'll probably see temperatures dropping in the 40s by afternoon, a one-day cool down. This is the watch warning map, and we've got winter weather advisories from the Red River, North Texas, South Oklahoma, up through parts of Missouri, around the Ohio River. In fact, winter storm warnings up around Cincinnati, and winter storm warnings in effect for parts of the northeast United States. But all that icy mess stays well north of here. We'll focus on thunderstorms. This is the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. There's a marginal risk for parts of Mississippi, Louisiana, southern Arkansas, and eastern Texas. And now the guys at SPC have introduced a marginal severe weather risk for parts of central and south Alabama tomorrow. That's basically south of a line from Demopolis to Clanton to Wedowee, areas in darker blue. Some of the storms there could produce gusty winds. We'll talk about there as we go. But a lot of rain here. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week, and the heaviest rain in the country right here. Rain amounts between 3 and 4 inches for the northern half of the state. Amounts closer to 1.5 inches down south for Mobile and Dothan. But model fans, let's dive in here. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. And you can see troughing beginning to dig southward again. And a surface boundary will be pushing through here with rain and storms tomorrow morning and a 1036 millibar high dropping in. So we figure the high tomorrow will likely be reached in the morning. We'll be close to 60, and then we fall into the 40s by afternoon. So temperatures going the wrong way, so keep that in mind. This is the high-resolution NAM, valid tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock. And at that point, the heavier rain coming into Tuscaloosa, approaching Birmingham, up toward Cullman and Aniana. And certainly a chance of thunder. We don't expect any severe weather at this point because this is the instability tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. And you can see there just basically isn't any for the northern half of the state. There's a little bit down in southwest Alabama. But later in the day, the instability values rise to almost 1,500 joules per kilogram for places like Monroeville, Evergreen, Greenville, almost up to Montgomery. And that's where your better chance of stronger storms will be. This is the high-res NAM at 4 o'clock tomorrow. And again, the storms south of Montgomery could pack a punch with some strong gusty winds. So that'll be the main issue down there. And again, for the northern half of the state, the better chance of what rain will be tomorrow morning. Cloudy, breezy, cooler. And again, we stress temperatures tomorrow going the wrong way. We start the day around 60. We wind up in the 40s tomorrow afternoon. Now, this is Thursday. We'll be close to freezing early in the day. Lows down around 30. The high will be in the 50s. A little below average for this time of the year. The sky should be sunny. Friday, moisture begins to return. Will bring in the chance of an afternoon shower, but I think a decent part of the day will be dry. We start the day in the 30s. The high should be in the 60s. And as the weekend begins, this is Saturday, and no doubt we're going to see some rain at times. Now, a lot of things are happening outdoors this weekend, and right now there's no way to tell you the start-stop times for any specific location, Saturday and Sunday. Just be aware we'll have occasional showers and possibly some thunder both days. Again, you're looking at Saturday, and this is Sunday, with the surface front well to the north. This is the Instability Sunday. We got some surface-based instability available statewide, so there certainly could be some thunder and maybe some strong storms, but there's not really a big trigger here, not a big severe weather setup, but we'll have to monitor that as we get closer. So, again, the bottom line for the weekend, occasional showers and storms Saturday and Sunday, very mild. Highs well up in the 60s. We might touch 70 on Sunday if we can see some breaks in the cloud cover briefly. We'll go to Monday, still kind of a soggy air mass. We'll maintain a chance of lingering showers Monday with a high in the 60s. And this is a week from today, Tuesday the 13th, troughing in the western states, and that looks fairly dry for the northern half of the state. This is the end of the forecast period, Friday of next week, the 16th, troughing to the north, and again a surface boundary coming in with a chance of showers. Here's a QPF coming off the GFS, and again, very robust numbers here. So this is very beneficial for a state where drought levels are starting to creep up again. Hopefully they'll creep back down after all this rain. And no sign of any Arctic air. And again, we stress now tomorrow is going to be a cool day. You got a high there of 63, but that's going to be in the morning. We'll drop in the 40s tomorrow afternoon. But really after tomorrow, very nice with highs in the 50s and 60s and lows mostly in the 40s. And that is not bad at all for February. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.